Rebel cliff diving, let's go! Welcome to Mostar, Bosnia and Herzegovina. It's a beautiful country with beautiful people. It's crazy to think that only 30 years ago this place was ravaged by war. Even though that was 30 years ago, there are still remnants, and I think this place is going to be a big tourist destination. It already is, but it's going to grow even more in the international world. You know, Mostar, the old town, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so you come here, check out the bridge. It's beautiful. The old town is beautiful. Most of it's had to be remade after the war, and they're still restoring to this day. So there's plenty more to come when it comes to the future of this country and the future of Mostar. It's only going to get better from here, I can tell you that. Most of the amazing architecture here is courtesy of the Ottoman Empire. If you're coming to Mostar, that's probably because of one reason. You've seen this image, the picture of the famous bridge, Stari Most. It's a beautiful bridge. It was built back in the 15th century. And it had to be rebuilt after the war in the 90s. Most of it, in the middle part of it, was destroyed. And when they were rebuilding it, they found out that some of the bridge, the way it was glued together, was with goat hair and egg whites, which is really interesting. So they rebuilt it as best they could. It looks almost identical to what it once was. They used pieces from the old bridge to put back into the new bridge, and today it stands. During the war, the life expectancy, if you were outside on the streets, was less than 60 seconds. 60 seconds. The beautiful thing of this country is that it's not defined by its past. And you can see the progress, and talking to the locals, they even are explaining the hope that they have for the future and seeing the change that's already happened in the last 30 years. So the more tourism, the more people come here and don't look at them as a country of war, but as a country of peace and love, I think the more people are going to come and visit and see the magic that Bosnia and Herzegovina has to offer.
You taste some wine?
Wine tasting on the old bridge. ¿Por qué no? This food is so good, so fresh. Mostar's in a Mediterranean climate, so you get so much fresh produce. You come here, yeah.
Okay.
They got the platform ready for the diving. Look at that thing. Oh crap, that's so high. Rebel cliff diving, let's go! Cheese. never seen anything like this. Like, I've seen diving before on TV in the Olympics, but not off of one of these iconic bridges in this amazing city. This is cool. Chilling in the local spot. Look at this spot here. This is sick. It's the dive where they practice, but look at this. There it is. That's the crowded hot side. There's the tower that they built for the cliff diving. And this girl's about to jump. Made it to the top. Ooh, that was a long run. All the way from the bottom. Wow. So from Mostar, you can hike up, or you can get a taxi up to the Skywalk, which looks interesting. I hope it holds, but it's beautiful up here. What a skyline. Just caved in the mountains is Mostar, surrounded by mountains. It's just a beautiful sight. This doesn't feel stable at all. Oh my god. That was one hell of a sunset, but it is so windy right now, and I gotta get down before it gets dark because it was pretty long way up here. So time to get down to the bottom. Amazing sunset. The Skywalk is pretty legit. It's free. You just come up here and go walk on it. It was a little wobbly with the wind, so got a little queasy feeling it, but amazing. It's actually really nice up here. You can go into the cafe, get a water, get some soda, get some beer, wine, enjoy the sunset. You can see the mountains everywhere. And this is just a place that I think has a little bit of magic in it. So come be a part of it. Cheers, friends.